Good morning everybody, this is JSE for Trader24. Local market yesterday, relatively poor performance on our bourse. We saw our market closing down 0.44% to close at 35,417 points. Day of consolidation after a relatively strong showing in the previous week where we saw consecutive new highs. Our market, only the gold sector that managed to remain positive. Our gold counters, they were up about 0.45% on the day. Looking at the JSE graph, we have it here in front of us this morning. The JSE has been reasonably strong, but as we have cautioned before, the breakout to new highs has occurred on new volume. We may come back and test the breakout level, but in our opinion, we need a confirmation of the breakout on US markets in order to see a sustainable rally. We saw the market over here, it has broken out through the previous top. RSI is approaching overbought levels. Yesterday we did see a lot of consolidation, so our feeling is we could see this market pulling back a little bit, and if we do see a breakout of the Dow Jones, we could see this rally sustainable and our market moving higher. Our strategy here, go long at 30,800, stop loss of 30,500. Our target price on this trade 31,800 to the upside, and as an alternative strategy, look for a short on the close below 30,800 points. Moving along now, if we have a look at the Dow, we have said in the past that we like this graph. It has been making higher lows, been moving up nicely, but again approaching that critical 13,300 level where it has been the previous resistance. We see it's tried to break out here 3 times and failed, so quite a critical level over here. We have discussed this graph in the past and we still maintain our strategy on this one. Short at 13,280 or thereabout, a stop loss of 13,350. Look for a target price of 12,900, and no real alternative strategy on this one. But like we did mention, we need a close above the previous high to spur any buying on a sustainable basis. If we look at the Rand Euro now, another graph that is looking interesting. The Rand very close to that 9 Rand 95 level. We see here before you try to break out from this level 4 times. It then became, well, it was resistance back here. As we can see, then it became support at points 5, 6 and 7. We see that now became support. We're near that support again at around about the 9 Rand 95 mark. And we think that the Rand could weaken further. We did of course also see, although the Rand held relatively steady yesterday, it held steady to about 8 Rand 12 to the dollar, even on the back of some bad data that came out of Japan and China, and of course Greece's second quarter GDP. That economy contracted by 6.2%, improving slightly on the 6.5% decline seen in the first 3 months of the year, but a bad number nonetheless. Our Rand yesterday stabilizing and trading at around about 8 Rand 12 to the US dollar and about 9 Rand 92 to the euro, as we can see over here. Our strategy on the Euro Rand, it's had a strong rally against most major currencies, and against the euro it has now come back to resistance level, which is a crucial test here in order for us to see more Rand strength. Our trade on this one, we are short the Rand at 10 Rand, a stop loss of 9 Rand 85, target price of 10 Rand 45, and as an alternative strategy, go long the dollar against the Rand around the 8 Rand 10 for a drop to about 8 Rand 30. This is JSE for NakedTrader.com.